Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue the chapter 5 of standard 6 SS Earth Our Home lecture 2. In my last video I discussed about latitudes. Let me revise. What is called latitude? What is called latitude? Horizontal imaginary line drawn on earth are called correct latitudes. Okay, they are horizontal. Okay, horizontal imaginary lines. Okay, how many are they? Yesterday I said. Okay, how many they are? They are 181. How many they are? They are 181. How they are 181? How? I said in a center 0 degree latitude, that is called equator, and from equator upper part in a northern hemisphere 90 latitudes are there, and in a southern part 90 latitudes are there. So 90 plus 90 plus 1, that is called 181. Got it? Okay. 0 degree latitude, 0 degree latitude, 0 degree latitude, it is called equator. It is called equator. Got it? Okay. Now here I am drawing. Okay. This is called 0 degree equator. Got it? This is called here 90 degree N, and here 90 degree S. Got it? Yesterday I discussed about this. Today I am going to explain about longitudes. Longitudes. Okay. Now what is called longitudes? Yesterday we saw that latitudes, they were in a sleeping line, horizontal. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about longitudes. And my dear student, longitude means the vertical lines, verticals. Okay, I am writing here vertical lines. Okay. So they are vertical lines. Got it? My dear student, how to remember? V means from upper to down. That's why they start from here. Okay? Like this. Got it? So these are called correct longitudes. Okay? They are called longitudes. Got it? And they are here. These are called latitudes and these are called longitudes. Okay? Imaginary lines. Vertical imaginary lines. Okay? Got it? My dear student, once again, here I said they are 181. How many they are? They are 181. Here they are 360. How many are there? They are 360. Okay. Latitudes are 181. Latitudes are 181 and longitudes are 360. Okay. Yesterday I said about the distance. Okay, I said that is 111 kilometer distance between two latitudes. But here the difference is it is not in a measuring. Here the difference is 4 minutes. Okay, that I will explain later on. But today, actually, we have to learn next year. But today I am going to explain about that why it is. It comes in a minute. I will tell you, my dear student, because Earth moves on its own axis, and my dear student, one by one, all the latitude come in front of the sun. Okay, got it? So slowly it turns, and my dear student, because of that motion, we have day and night. That I will explain in detail later on. But today we are learning this much only. Okay, so latitude and longitude. Okay, got it? Now, how? Once again, latitude means horizontal vertical line, longitude means vertical imaginary lines. They are 181 latitudes, longitudes are 360. Then difference about the measurement. Here the distance between two latitude is 111 kilometer, and here the distance between two latitude longitude, that is in a minute, 4 minutes. Okay, got it? Now today I am going to show one more thing. Okay, now just let me say, what is it? What is it? Is it a model of the earth? Model of the earth, and this is called globe. This is called globe. My dear student, on this globe you will find, okay, about all the continents and the oceans and everything. Okay, here lines are drawn. This line na, vertical lines, they are called as a longitude, and horizontal lines are called latitude. Got it? Now next, one more thing, my dear student. Here today I am going to explain one more thing about oceans. Oceans. How many oceans are there on earth? There are four oceans. How many are there? Four oceans. Got it? Which are they? Arctic Ocean, second. Indian Ocean, third. Pacific Ocean, and next one is Atlantic Ocean. Got it? So they are the four oceans on earth. And my dear student, they are called large mass of water body. Okay, means a big one. Okay, and here today we are going to learn about one more thing about continents. How many continents are there? They are seven. How many are there? Seven. Which are they? Number one, Asia. Number two, Africa. Number three, South America. Number four, North America. Number fifth, that is Europe. Number six, Antarctica. And last one is Asia, Africa, Europe, Antarctica, and South America, North America, and Australia. Okay, and My dear student, here 6 continents starting with A. 6 continents are starting with A, and only one continent that starts with E. Okay. Now one more thing. If you have noticed, it is not necessary to remember. Once again, if you have noticed, so in each and every continent, starting and ending letter are the same. A, Asia, Africa, A, Australia, A, Antarctica, A, Europe, E, America, A. Got it? So this is the information about oceans and continents. In next video, we will learn more about this. Once again, I revise. Horizontal lines are called latitudes. Vertical lines are called longitudes. How many latitudes are there? 181. How many longitudes are there? 360. Got it? Okay. What is the distance between two latitudes? 111 kilometer. They are straight. They are straight. Okay. Now here, what is the difference between two longitudes? 4 minutes. Okay. My dear student, their starting point and ending point. Starting point and ending point is the same. While in a center, they are white bulbs. Got it? That's why I am saying. And now next thing about continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. Okay, which are they? Africa, Asia, America. America means North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. Got it? And one more continent that starts with E, that is called Europe. I said how to remember. Okay. And oceans. How many oceans are there? There are 4 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic. Okay. Then Indian Ocean, and last one is Arctic Ocean. Got it? Next time we will learn in deep. Thank you.